Okay, now let's begin with the show, with the earnings of Tata Steel. We are in the thick of earnings season. Tata Steel came out with its Q3 earnings, while the consolidated revenue surged over 6%, while the PAT surged over 700% as compared to the last year. Margins and EBITDA also expanded. Well, the company's revenue from operations stood at 57,000 crores in Q3 of FY26. That's up 6% over 53,648 crores posted in the corresponding period of the last financial year. And while Tata Steel Brokerages also took a stance earlier, let's go across to my colleague Ishika, who's standing by with what the brokerages have to say about the earnings.
Tata Steel delivered a strong set of numbers this quarter. Its consolidated revenue jumped 6% year-on-year, and PAT was quite striking. It jumped more than 7 times to nearly 2,700 crores if you compare it to the 327 crores reported in Q3 of FY25, and EBITDA also rose by 39% year-on-year, with margins expanding with a gain of 338 basis points. Now, Tata Steel has also reported an EBITDA per ton of 10,069 rupees, which has declined a bit sequentially, and overall India was clearly the bright spot here in Q3, and with its domestic volumes up 9% quarter-on-quarter, with deliveries crossing 6 million tons for the first time. And even though realizations dipped a bit and raw material prices remained firm, India operations remained resilient throughout that. Talking about Europe now, Europe was quite a drag this quarter. Both UK as well as Netherlands EBITDA per ton declined, and the UK business is still loss-making, though management is expecting some improvement in Q4, whereas Netherlands, its EBITDA declined due to lower realizations, but cost savings and higher volumes are expected going ahead in Q4. So on the outlook, management sounded cautiously optimistic, and they're expecting domestic steel prices to rise up to rupees 2,300 per ton in Q4, as well as volumes to increase by 500,000 tons. So strategically, Tata Steel is doubling down on India operations, expanding downstream capacity, as well as deepening their MSME engagements, and pushing ahead. They're pushing ahead on sustainability as well as their decarbonization initiatives. So overall, a solid quarter for Tata Steel, led by India, and Europe is still challenging. Back to you.
All right, thank you so much for joining us with the brokerages for Tata Steel. Let's see how